As a doctor, I take care of everyone else. But long shifts and stress left my skin looking dull. Hours तक मास्क यूज करने से मेरे फेस पे ऐसे पिंपल्स हो गए जो I couldn't hide. Even with good skincare, stress finds its way to your skin.
फिर मैंने Winthrox Flawix स्टार्ट की और I was like amazed with जो मुझे रिजल्ट्स मिलना शुरू हुए. Flawix
With vitamins A, C, E, collagen, zinc, and licorice extract helps repair skin, fade spots, and bring back a natural glow. Even in my busiest shifts, my skin feels nourished and radiant. If I trust Flawix for myself, you can too. For skin that works as hard as you do. Trusted by professionals. Don't wait. Try today.